Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Bricks and Blocks. I hope you're all well. Well, with the new retirement lifts being launched, obviously at the beginning of the year, I thought I'd take this opportunity to buy some sets that are going to retire at the end of the year that I fancy picking up. Have you seen the list yet? What sets are you picking up? Let us know in the comments. Right, let's have a little look. I've got a little haul for you here today. Buying from Amazon, Lego.com and Argos. Right, start with Lego.com first. Right, first up we have Lego 71845 Lloyd's Jet Mech. Bloody hell, Lego, look at that. Nice little smash. Lego.com. Box wasn't actually damaged either, so well, it was a little bit. Hey ho. This one I probably most definitely will open because of that. I wanted to open one of these anyway, so. Right, now we have set 71854. This is a new set, but I thought I'd just get one of these because I needed to spend over a certain amount to get the gift with purchase. And here's the gift with purchase. The Valentine's Day one. See a little pattern here. Basically it's duplicate. So I think this set will do really well. Apparently it's on the retirement list, retiring in July. So, got two of those. Just got another one of those. That just pushed me up slightly over the threshold to obviously get another gift for purchase. Right, onto Amazon. Now we've got set 71843, which is Rogue's Mech Dragon Rider. I'm not too sure. I think this one might be retiring at the end of the year as well. But I do like this one, and I've only got one, so now I've got two. Right. We have got Thunderfang, set 71832. This is shown on the retirement list in July, leaving this in July as well. So I thought I'd grab one of those. And another one. And these were on offer, I think, on Amazon at the moment, or were on Amazon at the moment, for about £48 odd, give or take. I also bought this. Now this, for some reason, was just a tenner on Amazon. And it's set 76320. Not really a fan of Marvels as such, but it has got an exclusive minifigure, the War Machine. So I just thought for a tenner, why not? Right, onto Argos. Another Ninjago set. Apparently retiring again this year. This was on offer for, I think this is retail for 90 and it's on offer for about 60 odd pound from Argos. So I thought it's retiring this year. I haven't got this set, so I'll grab one of those. Got two where it's just a cheap. But yeah, there's a lot. Quite a cool little set, and it's 71836 Arc Dragons of Focus. Right, you've got a battle pack, Siege of Mandalore battle pack 75449. Got two of these. Because it was on in Argos at the moment, you get 2 for 20. So they're basically near enough half price for those. Right, new set. Fierce Dinosaur, looks a bit like a raptor. 31379. This was on the Argos deal as well. I don't know if it's 2 for 20 or 2 for 30, something like that. Got another creator set, 31173, which is the Tropical Toucan. So I think these were 2 for 20 or 2 for 30 or something like that. Here we got 76338, another new set for this year. Mech Battle Spider-Man versus Doc Ock. Or Dr. Ock. I think these were 2 for 30. But they retail at 25, so I just bought a pair. Right then guys, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one. There's the whole haul there, spread out so you can have a little butcher's if you're interested.